Well, as the death toll from the growing coronavirus tops 100 in China, the U.S. and other nations are evacuating citizens from Wuhan to escape this outbreak.
Zach Verdia spoke with a local pharmacist about whether Americans here should be concerned about infection in their day-to-day lives, Zach.
Even though the United States has 5 confirmed cases, the state of Texas has not seen one yet. And pharmacist Jason Bobbitt told me that if you're not in the immediate area, then you're not in immediate danger. While states across the country are starting to take precautions against the spread of coronavirus, local pharmacist Jason Bobbitt says the craze may be overhyped.
Coronavirus is actually very common. Most of us have probably had a variation of it. It causes common colds, such things like that. When it mutates to something like this, it kind of causes a bit of concern because it's new and it scares people.
Especially with no cases in the state.
Luckily, we haven't had anybody actually in the state of Texas yet that has been confirmed to have the new virus. But anytime something like this happens, you know, you see TVs and movies and stuff, propaganda saying it can spread, and it can. Main thing is just to be careful.
Director of Health for the Wichita County Wichita Falls Health District, Lou Kreidler, reiterated the low chances of contracting the virus in this area.
The risk for contracting this novel coronavirus is low or none if you haven't been around someone, if you haven't either traveled to China, to the Wuhan province in China, or you haven't been around someone who had traveled to that area and is sick.
Because the virus is a variation of the flu and they don't know all the facts yet, Bobbitt emphasized the importance of taking precautions in this time.
At this time, everybody's still kind of learning about it. It's still new. There's only 5 cases confirmed in the United States. There's really nothing to get real excited about at this point. Just you know, take precaution. You feel bad, wash your hands. Just try not to infect other people. Not that it is the coronavirus, but just day-to-day things.
These steps in preventing you from viruses can save you a trip to the doctor's office or even the hospital. Although all the cases in Texas were negative, there have still been 13 pediatric flu deaths in the state this year, so take those precautions seriously during this time.
Yep, good advice, Zach. Thank you so much.